This is a rough draft. Don't expect perfection? Yeah, don't expect that either. She's just fucking cool. I'll always have your back now. Love you and that's a fact now. Love you from your tippy top down to your toes. It can all come of roses, but we've got daisies and posies. We can make the best of our messes every time, 'cause I'll let you by my side. I've got your left, you got my right. Figuratively speaking, on a better night. Up laughing when we should be sleeping. Who says you're my eternal sunshine? Couldn't forget you even if I tried. Screw that though, who would want to? Not me. You know that you're my best friend. I'm gonna love you till the very end. You're my eternal bread tie, zip tie. We'll play our music till daylight. Love to watch you listen with your closed eyes. What you thinking about? Perhaps our wedding day. You're first in my life.